Welcome to a daily dose of self-love, a time to connect within and nurture the most important relationship of our whole lives, the relationship with our own inner self. Together, we will tune out the external world and tune inward to develop self-awareness, peace, joy, and love, and move in the direction of our greatest, most best self. You give so much to others all day. This is your time to give to you. In today's meditation, you are guided to align completely with love. This may be love of a new home. This may be the love that is shared in the space of a new home. This could be the love of a new romantic partnership. This may be the love of a family work community that you are a part of or becoming a part of. In this meditation, we fully align with this love energy. We call it in, we see it moving toward us, and we embrace it and receive it in this meditation. I hope you enjoy this experience and enjoy your meditation. Light a candle, find your favorite relaxing music. Let's drop into our meditation. Turn your outer gaze inward, close your eyes, and we set the intention of looking deeply inside. We set the intention of self-love, self-awareness, self-care, connection with the earth and sky, receiving, opening, softening. What intention do you have for this meditation? Take a deep breath into your heart. We're choosing to love ourselves so deeply, so fiercely, so completely that we can only attract more love into our lives. We become magnets for love in this meditation. Bring your awareness to your feet. In your mind's eye, see yourself standing on some beautiful sand. Make a little heart shape in the sand with your toes and stand within this heart shape on this sand. Feel yourself fully connected to the sand, to the earth below, to the layers of earth, through rock, mud, water, fire, all the way down to the center of the earth. And you can visualize Mother Earth's hands holding you, rooted, strong, belonging. We can visualize this love energy from the earth flowing to us. And we send some back. At the top of your head and your mind's eye, visualize a little heart bubble. You're surrounded by love. And this heart bubble on the top of your head connects up to source energy. You can visualize the love of source energy, this divine intelligence, this clear, knowing channel of love flowing through you, through your heart bubble, through your crown, into you, breathing with this source energy, giving and receiving with your breath. Bring your awareness to your heart. Feel yourself contained within this heart chamber, this heart bubble, this space of love. Your whole body, your whole being giving and receiving with earth and sky. Take a few deep breaths with your own heart, perhaps bringing your hand to your heart. And you can see yourself standing in this beautiful sand. And in your mind's eye, you look out upon this beautiful body of water, the waves gently flowing, moving toward you. Feel yourself present with the movement of the waves. Breathing with the waves that flow in and out with this beautiful water. You can notice how your heart beats with the rhythm of the waves. You can even visualize this energy of the waves flowing into your heart and filling all of you. The soothing heartbeat, the heartbeat of Mother Earth expressing through the movement and pulse of the waves. And we can receive this love through our hearts. We know how loved we are. We feel appreciation for this moment to connect so deeply with love energy. We say thank you to our beautiful earth. When we look out upon this beautiful body of water and we see something moving toward us, more love. What is it moving toward you that would signify to you more love, that would mean more love to you? Is it a person? Is it a partner? Is it a home? Is it a friendship? Is it a work community? Is it a spiritual community? What do you see floating toward you over this body of water? What is your deepest heart's desire, wish for in this moment? What would feel the most loving to you? We can visualize this person, place, or thing moving toward us, floating along the waves like magic. This arrives right in front of us, right there. We know it's right there, waiting for us to be open and receptive and receiving this gift of love, this new work, this new love partner, this new home. What does it feel like to be so close to this beautiful love? What do you visualize yourself doing? How do you see yourself responding to this love that's just about here? Maybe you're doing a happy dance. Maybe you're singing at the top of your lungs. Maybe you are twirling and swirling. Maybe you choose to embrace this love. How does it feel to embrace this love? Affirm, I am ready to receive you. I am ready to receive this. Whatever it may be, embrace this love. We are fully supported in this moment by Earth and Sky to achieve our dreams, to fulfill our dreams, to live with abundance of love from all areas of our life. We're fully supported by Earth and Sky to fulfill our destiny here on this earth as master creators. Take several deep breaths and allow this love to move through your skin, through your whole body, through you, and fill you with love. Several deep breaths. With gratitude. In your mind's eye, feel yourself fully aligned with this love. Maybe you are sitting in a new home. Maybe you are prospering in your work. Maybe you are embracing your true love, your divine partner. Fully align with this love. We trust this beautiful unfolding of our brilliance. We trust that all is in divine order. We continue our daily practice of tuning inward, resting and receiving, filling ourselves with this beautiful earth and sky energy. And we say thank you, we're so blessed. And come back to your body, thanking this beautiful scene that you created in your mind's eye. Come back to this moment, this space. Hold the energy of joyful anticipation for what's to come as you move through your days. Bring a smile to your face. Begin to move your fingers and toes, and when you feel ready, you can open your eyes and find your way toward your journal. And write yourself a love letter. Allow any words to flow through you onto your paper for your highest good, for your clearest knowing and awareness, nurturing the beautiful relationship with your highest self. Set your timer for at least 8 minutes to allow yourself an opportunity to dive more deeply into this beautiful ocean that we visualized in the meditation. Bring yourself to that ocean space and write about it. Feel yourself in the sand. Acknowledge what comes up, what feelings arise, focusing on this knowing that everything is right there waiting for you to be open and receptive. We choose that in this moment. Enjoy your writing practice, and I will see you next time. Namaste. Be well. Much love.